The history major at TIU has been definitely intellectually challenging, and I love the seminars. What that is like a smaller class setting, and then not only do you learn the material, but you get to discuss it with the professor, with other students, kind of throwing ideas off each other.
I think the most valuable part about being a history major is just the skills that it teaches you, just being able to get vast amounts of information and just be able to comprehend that and use what you've learned and utilize it for various vocations.
There's different ways to look at history. There's different, okay, am I going to look at, is this the most important? Is political the most important? Is economic the most important? And I think Trinity doesn't have an agenda. Each of the profs, they encourage you to look at it and know the different approaches, be able to engage in kind of a higher level discussion about history for that reason, and form your own opinions. They prepare you for grad school, essentially.
My experience with the professors here have been amazing. I feel that they're all very intentional about their faith. They genuinely care about the students. They want to see students succeed. What I would like to do after I graduate from TIU is hopefully go to law school and possibly pursue a career in the military as a military lawyer. So I feel that just being a history major and with the military history emphasis, I think it helps prepare you in a career in the military.
I feel incredibly prepared to go teach history at the high school level thanks to the history major here at TIU.